Good morning, this is Stone Pickers. Now, I will show you this my new pickup stone. So already last night I picked up this stone. It's hit in the ground. So this is a beautiful meteorite stone. This is some kind of meteorite stone. You can see the line there, the fusion cross, the dark brown. That is the fusion cross. This is the hard crystal. In person, it looks like diamond, white diamond. Uh, and you can see a green and a white. The line is the white. What they call Aladdin. It's a beautiful stone, very beautiful and very hard. It's so hard. Maybe it's a carbonate diamond. It's very heavy. It's almost 3 kilos, 3 kilogram. Yeah. This is a beautiful meteorite stone. I think this is a lunar meteorite stone, but this is not a smooth stone. Very hard. This is a very hard stone. Looks like a diamond. Very hard. You can see the white. The white looks like a diamond, and the green, it's so hard. Very beautiful. This stone is very beautiful. The dark brown is the fusion cross, and you can see the line here. It looks like melting line here. That is the fusion cross. Here, light dark brown. That is the white, the white crystal. But the color now is the dark brown because of the fusion cross. Okay, so that's it, the beautiful stone. Now, if you want the stone, you are interested, just contact me. Just comment. You can see the little other color here, the other mineral here. Okay, thank you.